Hi guys, my name is Christina. If you're new to my channel, I'm a nutritional therapist and I upload delicious healthy recipes, nutritional and lifestyle tips every week. If these are topics that interest you, then do subscribe to be notified when a new video goes live. This video is made in collaboration with Yiayia box, who are a subscription box that provide you with treats from Mediterranean, specifically from Greece. And this month, their box was dedicated to Zante Island. And so they asked me kindly to put together a traditional Zante street food, which is Fitoura. Fitoura is, like I said before, a Zante's traditional dessert. It's super easy to make, so I'll show you how to do it so you can do it as well. It contains semolina, and semolina is beneficial for our health because it does contain B complex vitamins, it contains selenium and also iron. So if you are concerned about your iron levels, it's a great way to consume because it's really nice. Fitoura is very delicious. So I'll show you how to do it. It only requires semolina, water, a little bit of salt, and then traditionally in Zante Island, the residents put a little bit of sugar, but we will put coconut sugar instead, or you can put just cinnamon and serve it like that. For the recipe, we will need semolina, water, salt, cinnamon, coconut sugar, crushed nuts just to add a little bit of healthy fats, and zest from one orange, and olive oil for frying. We'll start by adding water and salt in a saucepan and bring it to boil. When the water boils, we add semolina and we'll continuously stir with a wooden spoon. When it thickens, let's take it out of fire, oil a baking tray and pour the thickened semolina in the tray. Spread it evenly and then leave it to cool down and stabilize for approximately 12 hours. Cut the cooked semolina into square pieces. Oil a pan and warm it over a medium fire. As soon as it is warm, add the pieces and fry for 5 to 6 minutes on each side until a golden crust is created. Sprinkle with cinnamon and nuts and coconut sugar, as well as orange zest on top. Serve and enjoy. So guys, this was a super easy and a healthier version of how to make the traditional Zante street food called Fitoura. If you like this video, please hit the like button below, comment with your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!